challenge.
These new disruptive business models that digital technologies are enabling, whether it's product as a service or subscriptions or outcome-based business models, there's a lot of things that bring manufacturers closer to their customers, where you're creating essentially lot size of one and you're getting rapid delivery and you're creating this intimate customer experience that requires intimate customer knowledge and to create those offerings and revenue streams that are driven by those digital transformations. So the topic that we were discussing today is how do we get started?
Mm-hmm.
So, and we're kind of running out of time here. I apologize, but if I could get you gentlemen to just comment one more, for a minute here on the customer and the role that the manufacturer's customer plays in digital transformation initiatives. Chuck, you touched on it a little bit when you were talking about lot size one, this customization, and Jean-Yves doing something that's very specific for a customer and being able to deliver it quickly and how that is disruptive. Comment on that.
Well, I think that the customer today is delivering for the demanding consumer called us.
Yep, and we are demanding. We are getting,
and we are very demanding. We want things now.
Technologies let us get demanding.
We have devices in our hands now that get us information instantly, right? So we are a very impatient people, and customers are trying to respond to that. So that impatience drives potentially a company to be very, very responsive. And next thing you know, everyone's going to them, right? Because they really understand their customer and what the customer wants and or demands, right, in this world. So I think what
Jean-Yves was talking about with Uber and taxis.
Yeah, I think the customer is driving much quicker change in today's world than in the past. It's no longer okay for the customer who says, hey, to a supplier, I need XYZ. And the supplier's like, well, that's going to take a while. We need to do this. We need to do that.
That'll be 7 weeks.
Yeah, that'll be 7 weeks. I got to go talk to this. I got to go talk to that. And that's, I think those days are gone, right? I think that they're pushing responsiveness big time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think to get back to your question, Alan, where do we start? I think to me, it always required some review of a business objective, where you are, and it varies also by business, where to start. I think it requires some good thinking up front before you start investing money right, left, and center, because sometimes it's not a matter of money. There are technologies available that are extremely affordable that could make a huge difference in corporations. So we have seen corporations just still today using in manufacturing, using an Excel spreadsheet. You and I have seen this many times to do your plant scheduling, your line scheduling for a very large plant. Still today done on an Excel spreadsheet. So when you talk to those corporations, exactly. So you talk about doing a digital transformation to a corporation where still today the planning, the line scheduling is done on an Excel spreadsheet, which obviously is not ideal. And you can probably get equipped with a good scheduler for a very reasonable amount of money. So we like to look at the grand scheme of things for transformation, but there are small things that could be done as well. So yeah. I think this is where, to me, having a good session, looking what's out there, I think it's important. So go ahead.
So naturally, this is our bread and butter. This is our business. This is what we do. And we certainly invite anybody to give us a call, and we can help guide you through that process of taking inventory of where you're at and where your customers are at and what some of the expectations are, and identifying some of those opportunities. And whether you use us or you talk with somebody else or however, it's the time to do it is now, because every day the technology gets more and more advanced, and the longer you wait to begin the transformation journey, which I don't think is ever going to end.
Right.
The longer you wait, the farther behind, you get.
Yeah, and I would add to that, Alan, we're happy to help them with blocking and tackling and getting down to the basics and brass tacks as to where to focus your efforts and
Absolutely.
maybe potentially create a roadmap of sorts. So
Helping them identify what is for them a game changer or the critical success factor for their business, and then it's different from business to business.
Very true that. Well, gentlemen, this has been a very good conversation. I appreciate you both taking the time to share some of your thoughts and experiences, and I hope that that this proves valuable to somebody out there in the internet land.
thank you. Thanks, Alan.
Thanks a lot.